Hello and good day to all of our viewers. And for now, as you can see, I am going to clean my underground this table. Did you see the cubes under that dishwashing table? As you can see, I am preparing the my mechanics. I am preparing the what we call this the trash bags. So as you look, the inside of my draining water is very messy, and that's why the water there is overflowing, and the smell of that kind of is very what we call this stinky. As you can see, it's like a poop, but because I'm a Filipino, that's why I can handle the smell, even though it's very nasty. And every time if I'm going to out, if the end of the job, before I'm going out, I will make sure that this what we call this is clean up. So I'm going to clean. As you can see, it's very messy. What we call this is very smells not good. I'm sorry to my English because I'm not good in English, but I hope you understand. So as you can see, I am very hardworking person that hope you like this video so that it can inspire you. That hope someday if some of the company will see me that I am a hardworking person, hopefully you can contact me to work on your company, especially abroad. Uh, I hope I can go to abroad on somewhere in abroad, US or Canada, because I am a hardworking person. As you can see, I am going to drain the water inside of the cubes. Cube, what we call this? Cube or lock, and cleaning the surface of the area. And I am going to get the filter. The filter is already cleaning because I clean it at the back of the kitchen. Mm. As you can see, the inside before and after, look at the after cleaning now. It's very clean. Yeah, it's like a new. It's like new, as you can see. And now I am putting that filter. That filter it helps to if the something like bones or rice or something that will it will cannot going on the ano what we call this. It can be what we call this bargain. I hope you understand. So that the water were not overflowing, and now I will going to clean the surface so that it cannot be smelly, cannot have bad smell, as you can see. And now I'm done to cleaning, then I'm going to clean also the surface. And as you can see, I am getting the map and clean the surface so that it will not going to be smelly. And that's for today's video, and I hope you like. Thank you.